Good morning, DIYers. F&B Martin, Honda 2002 CRV LX front wheel drive. All right, I'm back for day 2 of a 3 to 4 day project. Yesterday, I had some technical difficulties when I was recording, so I didn't get my recording was fine, but the for whatever reason the audio went out. So just to give you an update, so this is what I've done so far. We've got the airbox out, we've got the throttle out, and we've got the battery out. I took that out yesterday. The intake manifold, I'm gonna have to come back to that because I may have stripped one of my screws, and I'm gonna have to remove the power steering pump and all the other pulleys, which I'm gonna remove anyway to replace them to get to it. So I'm trying to remove the serpentine belt. Now, I bought this tool that I thought was gonna be, that was good. That's made by Craftsman. See if we can get a look at it. It's made by Craftsman, and it's a real good tool, but for whatever reason, it's not fitting in the area of the tensioner that I'm trying to pull forward. So I'm not going to be able to, let me make sure I get it. I'm not going to be able to use it, right? Which sucks, but hey, it is what it is. So instead, I'm going to improvise, because I've watched plenty of videos. I'm going to use my 14 millimeter and 15 millimeter to pull the tensioner closer to me. So I'm going to try to get the best angle, 14 and a 15. The 14 is what goes on the tensioner itself. This is a 14 millimeter, goes on the tensioner. Then the 15 millimeter, let me make sure I'm getting this. I'm looking at this at angle. 14 millimeter goes on the tensioner itself, and the 15 millimeter is what I'm going to use to pull the tensioner back, so that way I could get the serpentine belt off of my power steering pump. And like I said earlier, this is my engine cover. I had a leak because it was cracked and I had to replace it, so I never got an opportunity to get rid of a lot of the oil on by the crankshaft, and I'll be taking the wheel, but you're going to see oil down there. It's not leaking oil anymore, but it's still oil from a couple of months ago that I didn't get a hold of. So that's where we're at, and I'm trying to get the best angle so you guys can see this. All right. Okay, DIYers, this is the best angle I think I can get. I'm on a wireless mic, so I got to make sure I check the mic so I can make sure my audio is always working, because I had technical difficulties yesterday. So I'm going to try and pull the tensioner towards me so I can at least get the serpentine belt started to get off. So this is my 14 millimeter that I'm going to put on. Hopefully, when I purchased these, I got them off of Amazon. I got them with a 5-degree incline. So like if you use them, it's got 5 degrees. It's not straight. So I'm gonna have to get this at an angle to get it to come towards me. Okay. So remember, when you're a DIYer, patience is everything. If you're not prepared to be patient, it's not gonna work for you. You're gonna end up taking your Honda to a shop and paying a lot of money. So, okay, we're gonna try this. Let me see. Okay, I just gotta make sure it appears to be on. Okay, let me turn it the other way. Trying to make sure it stays on. But with that 5-degree angle, it's kind of tough not staying on, but we'll work it out. We will work it out. Okay, let me pull this out towards me at the, let's see, that's the 5-degree angle. So I'm pulling it out towards me so I can make sure it stays on. Okay, that appears to be on. Does it sit right here? Or is it this way? Okay, let's see. Okay, let me see here. It's a little challenging. Can't believe I can't use my Craftsman tool belt, serpentine belt removal. That really bothers me. Okay, so that it's not happening like that. Let me see here. Okay, it's gonna be a two-handed job. So let me try to push this towards me. It's not connecting. Okay. Let me see. Can't go that way because it sticks out too far. We're gonna get it. Just gotta be patient. We're gonna get it. Okay. See, that's in there. Hold that. Let me see if I could get some tension on this. That's slipping. Okay. Let me see. Maybe I'll do it. The videos show like this, though. That's slipping off. Let me see. Okay. Let's see. Maybe I have to do it that other way. I thought the video had the round part. Pushing down. All right, let's see. Maybe it is this. Is it this part? Let's see. That don't appear to be right. Oh, I keep dropping it. I'll get it to stay on one way or the other. Let me get it on, then I'll come back to record. Okay, I believe that I got it. I'm gonna give this a try. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna pull it towards me. I believe I got it. Okay, let me see. Okay, that's it, but gotta get a better grip. Okay. Keep slipping here, hold on. Let me do it with my right arm. Okay. I believe that's it. There it is. All right, y'all, got the belt released off the tensioner. It's a little bit of a challenge, but hey, improvising is everything. So at least I got it relaxed. Okay, so this is what I had to end up doing, just so I could show you. Okay, so if you have to use these wrenches, okay, you're gonna have to do it this way. So you will lock in like this. That's the way it'll work. So you have to go up and over here on the tensioner, pull with your right hand or pull with your left hand. Okay, and then it'll release the belt, and then you could take the belt off with your right hand. So that's what I had to do. So once again, here you go. It's here and here on the tensioner. Then you pull back on it. Go all the way up, pull back on it. Okay?